YouTube channel. Now I want to show you how the grass are planted in Africa. This is a place, a home of Chef Matiko. I hope you guys will know Chef Matiko. And this is her home. Show them, guys. This is the grass. How do we call this grass? Come up. Yeah. These are grass they are planted. They have a few weeks here. And these some trees. These are guavas. These are small tree for shade. And this is the grass that are planted to rest. All over there. That stuff is used for recreational here. And this, let me show you guys. And these are a garden. These are garden for Matiko, and these are bananas. Garden we planted a kitchen here. These are tap. These are tap for irrigation in the garden to have water. And this is some firewood that is used to cook inside there. There is some timbers here for kitchen use. These are timbers that have stored here in case of a job. If Matiko can use it to build there, is accomplished there. Now it's finishing. They are doing finishing there. Use some timbers for constructing there. Come across to see them. These are bananas. There's a grass there. This is the water where in trains water pass across here and go out there. These are how do we call this area? Tell me. These are like a mutaro in our language. We put here to avoid stagnant water that is void in the wall. Come guys. This is now a septic. This is a septic. It's under construction. This is a plywood and this is a beam. This is the work of today. We want to mix a concrete. Then we have a person who guides us. We mix a concrete. Then we put here to do some slab here. We mix from inside. Get inside there. This is the work of today, guys. Want to do. Stay tuned with us. I will show you how the work it will be. Stay tuned with us. Something that I will show you. Like, comment, share, and leave a comment, a sweet comment below there. Guys, I will show you this is the work of today. There is a fundi there. We have already put sand and concrete. We want to mix it later. Now we are doing preparation for mixing concrete. And this is a tank that stores water for irrigation there and in kitchen use. And this is the water that I have told you we have put here to avoid logging of water inside there, so it can pass up to there. This is the house of Chef Matiko. I'm a handyman of Chef Matiko. I have say because of staying at home without doing any job. I am supposed to come here and look for a job. I can do something to get some money to do my business at home. Yeah, guys. This is some grass. They have not taken long here. It have taken only 1 month. Now it's under. It's growing. This is the wall the perimeter of the wall all over the compound. These are some pipes. This is where the toilet is inside, and the feces are passing through this, go that way to how do you call it?
Septic.
To the septic down there. And this is the tank there. It have a tank there. And there is a machine that's used to pump water. And then we have another one here. Pump and spread all over the house. Yeah, guys. There's some people who want to paint here. They are in the job. Yes. This is the main entrance for Matika. This is the main gate that enter here. This is a parking, a watchman house. Thank you, guys. Something that I told you. Okay, guys. Please, if you are new to this my new channel, please consider like, share, leave a sweet comment down there. This is my new channel. I will appreciate by liking, comment, and say something that you want, guys. The problem that I have is the camera, but I will use it to my way, because they say when you start something, it's hard. When it came the way this coming, it's go now efficiently, guys. Stay in touch. I will show you the rest of the job. I will tell you. Stay tuned. Thank you, guys. Now we have ended up in iron. These are
Iron bars.
These are iron bars. Now we are tied them together, and this side we will put some timbers to hold the concrete so that it cannot be
Shutters.
This way, there's some timbers we'll put into there. Now we are tying this. We are tying these iron bars together to make it comfortable and strong. We have here my co-worker, my colleagues. Say something to people. Look, yes, hello guys. Say something to people. We are here. We are trying to type this.
We are trying to fix the iron bars using the what is this? Binding wires.
Binding wires, and we use kabogoro. Tie this like this. We put like this, then like this. We take this kabogoro. We tie like this to make these
strong
iron bars to stay strong. I've not tied it the way it's supposed to be. You can tight it because that is single. Yes, you can tight it the way you're tightening it. Because it's single. Yeah. Yes. Single. You tight it like this. You can see here. When you tie like that, and when you put your kabogoro like this, then you start tightening. As you can see, guys.
yeah.
What I'm doing. You take it like this, so that the iron bars, it cannot be go down there. It put these iron bars to be strong and be yes. Between these beams, we'll put here some concrete inside to overlap here. Then we make it smooth to be in a good position. And this is where the air can pass through in this septic. Here we will put some timbers, and others, the iron bars, they are coming to fix, and we start mixing. Guys, stay in touch. There is something that I want to show you when we start to mixing concrete. Then we transport it up to here. Thank you, guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
This job is so hard, guys. I'm struggling to mix this concrete. It's so hard, guys. But I'm doing to my level best.
Chooks, acha angalia huko nyuma. Chote yenye iko kwa ponyo. Ona huko. Ona chote yenye namwagika wewe kwa kigari. Zimale ikifiki kadanota. Yeah. We are doing masonry work here. Now that's enough.
Now that concrete is enough to load up to the septic.
When you load how many, it will pour.
Yes, of course. Ndio mnipigie bado niendelee kukoroga. We need to add cement. Put for me cement on top of that concrete. I want to mix it and take the quarter.
Smear it there.
Hey, you need to smear it so it can make it to be conk. And you pour another one on top of that concrete. I want to continue mixing that concrete because the work that we have now, it's so hard and we have get tired. From morning up to now is evening, guys. And we have tried. The spade. Smear that concrete on top of that. It's enough.
No, it's not enough. I want to add.
Now it's enough. The remain cement, white,
No, I want to.
add the further. Now it's enough. It's enough.
I think we'll add.
Smear it on top of that. There is a cement in that bag. Smear it on top of that concrete. I want to continue mixing.
Yeah?
I want to continue mixing that concrete. Pour another one.
Remove. No.
You want to remove?
Very dangerous.
Yeah, it can crack your skin.
Now you will be using much cement. You understand?
Spread it first.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Don't spread it further. Just bomba. I don't know. It's already dry.
No, it's not already. It's dry.
Hmm?
It's so hard. This job is so hard, guys. Struggling.
I think we will add water, yes. A little bit water there, yes.
When it's good. We add what?
You know, we will add water. Big.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Now tell them what you will show them the final result.
Yes. Guys, something that I will tell you is that stay in touch.
Watch the video to the end.
Watch the video to the end.
Yes.
I'll show you the final of putting a slab in a septic. Thank you guys. Yeah guys, now we are casting the slab. We are getting to an end of this. They are pouring some concrete inside the beam. They are saying they use that timber to pass through with a wheelbarrow to pour concrete inside there. This is how it looks. We have poured from there, coming this way up to there. Now the place that has not poured is on where you see iron bars. That's the only place that has remained. Other ones there, they are loading concrete in wheelbarrow, bringing here to pour on top of the septic. But we are almost. The sign is always evening. That's how that guy is coming with the wheelbarrow.
Say something.
The work of today is so hard, and me, I'm feeling so tired. This is how we load the concrete. We put on wheelbarrow, then we transport up to the septic. We pour it on top of the septic. We are almost, the sun is getting off. Time is over, guys. Time is over.
Yeah,
Say something.
I look like a monkey.
Why you look like a monkey?
I'm so tired.
Hey, this job is so tricky. It requires a lot of energy to mix this concrete.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's a hard thing, but we have to do.
Yes.
It is what it is, yeah. You get it, guys. We are almost done.
Yes, we are almost, but we need to measure another concrete. This is the way where we are coming with our materials, and here it's where we install our materials. Here are some concrete we are taking from here, and there is a sand here. These are bricks. We load on our wheelbarrow, then we come inside with it, we put there. And this is where today they were painting the house. They were painting, but they have not. This is our first coat of our painting. They will complete maybe next week, because this job is so hard. It's so hard. And this is our watchman room where he stay taking care of this house. This is the main gate that I have already told you, and this is a parking. But guys, this is where I come to work, but it gets like in Africa at like 6 p.m. I go to my home where I stayed, and this is a home of Chef Matiko where he stayed, but not yet complete this house. It's not completed. It's almost in construction, and this is where trees are planted. Yes. Yes, this is where please.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I'm continuing. This is a drum. This is a drum. They use a drum to stand so that they can reach on top there. They paint, then they remove it. They go forward. They paint. They're painting so good. Now the wall is looking so clean, but this is a first coat. There's another coat passing and third coat. Then they will complete. Yes, guys. This is a store. Let me show you where they put cement for construction. This is like a store, but it's not yet completed. These are cement, and there is a plywood. These are plywood that used to put like the other one that I have showed you in the septic tank there. Binding wires are there. These are binding wires. They are used to paint there, guys. I'm getting so tired. I have mixed the concrete from morning up to now. I'm getting so tired, guys. But I am almost to complete this work for today. And this is a well where we fetch water for using there. Let me show you this well. This is a well. This This is a well, guys. This is a well. This is a well. This is a parking for Chef Matiko. Chef Matiko. Something that I will tell you always is that like, share, and leave a sweet comment down below. I love you guys. Now guys, you are getting to the end. This is the end now, guys. We have already poured a slab. We have already put it up to the end. Now this is how it looks. These are a slab for septic. These are slab for septic.